Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like and share. So and also there's going to be like a free signal on USD pair. So if you're interested, all you just have to do is go to the comment section, click on the link to the Telegram channel. So if you trade USD like USD pair like GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD, and gold, you should be interested in some USD pair. Then all you just have to do is go to the comment section, click on the link which will lead to the Telegram channel. From there, you can join the free signal group on USD pair for the week. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBP USD. We will start with our food trend, which is we clearly can see that GBP USD, our food trend is actually on an uptrend move. We clearly can see that the trend is literally on an uptrend. But if you take a look at something here, we clearly can see that market is ranging within this level here. Whenever market comes to this level, we tend to see it bounce up. Then it will come to this level again. We see it bounce up. When it actually dropped to this level, it's rejected. Then we had something like liquidity, which breakout. Markets came back to this level and it has come back to bound dot tap it. So next level we'll be expecting is another push up. So basically within this level we are ranging on GBP USD. If you take a look at this here, you will see that this here is our resistance level. So currently we are at our support level. We should be expecting GBP USD to actually push up to our resistance level. So for those of you that you are a swing trader, whatever trader you are, right, especially long-term trader, your forecast on GU should be an uptrend buy. So if you are interested in trading USD pairs, all you have to do is follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.